It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, go to.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Arial'Monique, and I'm back to with another video. You guys are here today to see how I did this quick little bun updo hairstyle with my clip-ins from Amazon. Say something. I don't even like that. So you guys are here today to see me install my clip-ins and do a bun look with my clip-ins that I bought in January. I'm still working with these same clip-ins. Just to let y'all know, I will tag the clip-ins in the description box. I know previously on my channel I installed the clip-ins that had the middle part bust down, but this time I'm going to do an updo. My hair is not clean. I'm going to throw that out there right now. My hair is not clean. I did go to the gym this morning, and I went the other day. So my hair is not clean. This is a hairstyle I like to go to when my hair is not clean. So let's just get right into it. Y'all know I had micro links and that caused my hair to break off really bad, but I did cut my hair like 2 months ago. I inserted a clip of how short it was. It's growing. It's flourishing. It's getting a little healthy. It's dirty though. But let's get right into it. So here are the clip-ins, right? And I don't use the full 2 packs for this look because it's really not required. You can't install that many clip-ins if you're pulling it up. So here are my clips. They need to be washed as well. But I don't got time for that today. So here they are. Okay, chat, what is going on? Here's the clips, right? And I think my clip-ins are either, most likely they're a 20-inch. So these are the clips right here. My hair is down. So what I am going to do is I am going to, first, the way I'm installing mine, I like to have 2 pieces, like 2 bang pieces, because my edges are a little thin, as y'all see. Been thin my whole life. Y'all know anything that can get these edges right, let me know about that. And that would be a testimony. But anyways, I am going to section off my hair here in the front. I have my mirror right here, y'all can't see. I am going to take my comb and I'm going to do like an oval shape. Okay. So this part right here, I'm going to section this off here and just and put a clip on it. Look, okay, that's section off. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Y2 comb. The parts do not have to be perfect because mind you, it's going up into a ponytail. I'm going to comb this up like this. And I'm literally going to take my comb and part it across the back. Enough that will cover your back piece of your clip-in. Okay, so that's the part that I have sectioned off. I'm going to take my other clip and clip this up. Oh, my arm's tired. So, you know the clip-ins, they come in different lengths. So I don't want to take the longest piece that I have. I'm not using the really, really long ones. It comes like in one this big, then like one like here, then one like this. So I am going to use the clip that has, if I can find it. Okay. So this is going to be the first clip that I use here. It has a clip of just 2 clips because you want to make sure that this piece right here covers. So I'm going to take this clip in, and usually you will insert them down like this. Instead of pulling them down, you're going to push them upwards. So I'm going to take this clip here, and I'm going to put it on this top piece here. Boom. So everything will be falling forward. See? And then I have extra hair here because this will need to also cover the sides as I'm pulling up. So once it falls back, And then I'm going to part my next section. This next piece I'm using has 3 clips. It's a longer piece than the first one. And again, upwards. And you're going to keep repeating this method until you get to about the middle part of the hair. And here is one of my longest pieces. Because once you get in the middle, you'll be able to use those longer pieces. And when you're parting, make sure you are not going all the way to the ends, because you want to make sure that the sides of your hair is covering the clips when you pull it up. Like a ponytail. Okay, so I have 3 clips in so far. And I'm pretty much at the middle, but I'm going to do one more facing down. Well, facing upwards. And try to fit as many as you can, depending on if you want to wear your hair down, if you want to wear the ponytail down, if you want to wear it up into a bun. Apparently, well, not apparently, obviously my hair is cut into a bob, so the bun is the best option for me. Okay. Whew. Okay, now that my hair is I'm at the middle part, it looks crazy, I know. We are going to, our next piece, we're going to put it in the normal way. So we won't put it in going, or we're going to put it in going backwards, because these pieces are now going to be pulled backwards. I'm going to make sure I leave some out on the side here so I can cover. And then you're going to bring it in, going down. Okay, that was a little tight. And then now you should have about this much hair left. So like literally this top piece. And I am going to take about one more, because you don't want to overcrowd it where it starts to look bulky in your ponytail. You still want it flat. Okay. And then since my hair is shorter from me having a bob, what I like to do is I like to take one of my shorter clip-ins that where it has just that one clip. I used these for when I first got my hair cut because my leave-out was really bad, so I was using these in the front to give my full even bob look. So I'm actually going to take this piece and I just like to put it like right in between where my actual hair is going to sit. So right here, and just take one small piece. If you don't have a bob, that's kind of like no point. And I like a messy bun look. I don't want it to be all even. So, okay. That is that. That is all the clips that I am going to use. Alrighty. Now it's time for Ponytail. So, depending on how you want your ponytail to look, if you're going for like a really sleek look, you may need to use some Got2b spray. As I mentioned, I like a little messy look, so I don't want it too perfect. But, and my hair can't really fit in the ponytail, so I usually leave some in the back of mine out. Whew. Spray a little bit of that. Okay. Not a lot because I don't want it hard. Okay. So, yeah, as I mentioned, yeah, I know my hair can't fit in the ponytail. Look at that. If you need bobby pins, do that. Okay. So now that I have my hair up in a ponytail, I usually leave the back of my eye and like put little curls in the back so it can just look like it kind of fell out because we're going to in the ponytail all the way. So with my bun, I am just literally going to take my bun and wrap it. And that's why I like the short pieces. As you can see, they stick out. And that'd be kind of like the look I'm going for, like a little messy bun. Look at that. This is sad. It's okay. We'll worry about that later. So for the front of my hair, my leave out, what I like to do here, you can really style this how you want to. If you want to take you some clips and put them in and do it to the side, that's not really my judge. If you want to do a clip in bang, you can do that. However you want to do it. But me, I like to part this down the middle. Hopefully that's down the middle, Shad. Because one thing I cannot do, I cannot part here to save my life. Boom. And I usually split this here like that. And I have those two clip-in pieces that I told y'all about. And I like to split one here. And then I am going to do the same thing for the other side. And there we go. So, and then I'm going to go flatter in these two pieces together to make them blend. And then I'll show y'all the full. So this is the final look. This is the full bun tutorial, how I install my clip-ins and put them into a bun for an updo look. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see y'all in the next video.